Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a delicious recipe in store for you, pan-fried chive wraps. Let's dive right in. To get started, let's combine flour, salt, and water in a bowl. Using a pair of chopsticks, give it a good stir until there are no dry patches of flour. Now, it's time to get your hands in there and knead the mixture into a smooth dough. Set it aside for 20 minutes to allow it to rest. While the dough rests, let's prepare the filling. Soak the bean-thread noodles in water until they become nice and soft. Chop the chives into small pieces and season them with salt, certain spice powder, and a drizzle of fragrant sesame oil. Also, let's not forget the aromatic dried shrimps. Heat them in a saucepan until they become fragrant, and then add them to the chive mixture. In a prep bowl, crack the eggs and give them a good beat. Heat some cooking oil in a pan over medium heat and pour in the beaten eggs. Stir them gently until they form a shape and become scrambled. Add the scrambled eggs to the chive mixture as well. Now, let's drain the water from the soaked bean-thread noodles. Cut them into chunks and toss them with some light soy sauce and a drizzle of cooking oil. Stir everything together until the noodles are nicely coated, and then add them to the chive mixture. Divide the rested dough into 6 equal pieces. Take one piece at a time and flatten it using a rolling pin, creating a thin dough layer. Place a generous amount of chive filling onto the dough and gently wrap the fillings inside, creating a neat package. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough and filling. Heat some cooking oil in a pan over medium heat and carefully add in the chive wraps. Cook them for about 2 minutes until the bottoms turn golden brown. Then add a splash of water to the pan, reduce the heat to low, and cover the pan. Allow the wraps to cook for another 10 minutes until they become tender and delicious. Once they are cooked to perfection, it's time to serve these delightful pan-fried chive wraps immediately. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Your feedback means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.